All right, Wesley here with Expandacraft, and we're here with a client who actually they did their own install. They came all the way up here to Panacea, and I had just had my second COVID shot, and I was practically worthless. So I directed them, and they used my tools, but these two guys did the installation. Now, this was kind of a special installation. There was a few things that we had to do. Dave, off camera, can you say, why would you put an Outrigger kit like this on a Hobie that already has pedals?
Well, I do a lot of offshore stuff, so kind of want to make sure that once you're out offshore, you want to come back against the current, against the tide, and all that stuff. You got enough.
So even with the pedals, sometimes you can't get back home because of the current and tide?
Yeah,
or wind?
Sometimes you're a little too tired to get back or too far out. So this gives you a great platform. Not only for me and myself, I'm probably going to take the dog out.
Space for puppy, yeah, gonna have space for that.
Get back.
I'm gonna get in a little closer now. We haven't put the straps on that hold these deckings down, and once you put some salt water on that, it's going to get gray, and you won't have so much glare as you do right this minute. But all you got to do is, we have the straps that are not on here now, but you take the straps off, and then you release 4 bolts. And there's one of the bolts here, and of course the opposite side on the fore and aft cross tube. And in this case, he's got the runner rails. These are the runner rails. He's got a 2-foot wide deck. You could go 3 wide and cover those up. As a matter of fact, we could lift this up. That's what it would be like with 3 deckings wide. It's pretty big. Not most people need that much space, but you get to adapt it to where you want. Now, here is a motor mount, and you gotta realize too that every motor has a different angle. Some require a negative angle or a positive angle. You can see this one is at somewhat of an angle, and we're working on putting some aluminum L brackets in there. We're cutting them right now, but they're not finished, so this isn't completely finished. What's neat is that these guys are using these ancient looking gas motors. Look at this one with the square blade. British, yeah, seagull action. Well, anyway, Expandacraft.com. This one is on a Hobie 14. What year is it? 2018. And now you can see a little closer what the kit looks like and reasons behind getting a kit like this. You're never going to turn this boat over. Stability is only one thing. The first time you dump your kayak or canoe and lose all your gear and nearly your life, you might then understand why Expandacraft Outriggers are so popular. All right, that's it. Expandacraft.com. Check us out. Hope that you subscribe and sign up for notifications.